When plotting points, we have to remember that the first coordinate, the x-coordinate, should always come before the second coordinate, which is the y. So what we'll do first is start with letter A. And with letter A, we're going to make sure that we put it on, or we're making our move on the x-axis before the y. So working from the origin, I'm looking at -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and then down to, because it's -2. So I put point A right here in the third quadrant. This is quadrant 3. For point B, it is located at -4, -4, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 in a negative direction, then down 1, 2, 3, 4 in another negative direction, calling that B. For point C, that's at -1, -5, -1, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got point C down here. All of these are currently in quadrant number 3. If I look at D, it's at 3, -4, so 3 in a positive direction, and then -1, -2, -3, -4. Putting point D here, this is in the fourth quadrant. Point E. Point E is 5 in a positive direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down 1 in a negative direction, we point E right here. Point F is 8, positive direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 6 in a negative direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it actually is down here a bit more for point F. And then point G is at 0, -2. So for 0, -2, I know that I'm not going anywhere left or right. And then I'm going to go down 2. So I would put our point right here and call that point G. The next one, point H, is at 3, 1, 2, 3, but not up or down at all. So I would put that point right here and call that point H. Point H is on the x-axis, point G is on the y-axis. You can try these spots and see if you can not only put them on the coordinate plane, but also show where they're located. Okay, for point A, it's at 8, 3. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 1, 2, 3. And our point A is right here in quadrant 1. Point B is at -3, -1, -2, -3, +3, 1, 2, 3. Point B is right here in quadrant 2. Point C is at 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -2, 1, 2. Point C is right down here in the fourth quadrant, and point D, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -1, 2, 3. Point D is right here in quadrant 3. I'm also going to plot point E. Point E is here at 0, 1, which means I don't go anywhere left or right. Then I just go up 1, so that's point E. Point F is at 0, -2, which means I don't go anywhere left or right. I just go down 2. And there's our point F. Point G is at 8, 0, which means I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and nowhere up or down. This would be right here, point G, that's on the x-axis. And point H is at -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -6, 1 is H. So I see that points G and H are on the x-axis, points E and F are on the y-axis. Point A is in quadrant 1, point B is in quadrant 2, point D is in quadrant 3, and point, looks like C is in quadrant 4.